Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money to your Etrade account. Open the website, then sign in with your user ID and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Transfer Money. Click on Transfer Money. Now you have to enter the required information. First, select the Transfer From and Transfer to Accounts. After that, enter the amount you're going to transfer. Then select the transfer date. And lastly, select the frequency. After entering the required information, click on Preview Transfer. Now you have to verify the information. After verifying and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you transfer money to your Etrade account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.